Meaning of dateline.
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 Dateline. The dateline is an imaginary line that runs from the North Pole to the South Pole, roughly along the 180th meridian of longitude in the Pacific Ocean. It serves as the divide between calendar days, so that when crossing it, the date changes by a day. When traveling westward across the dateline, you subtract one calendar day, and when traveling eastward across the dateline, you add one calendar day. The concept of a dateline was established by international agreement in 1884 to avoid confusion in navigation and communication across time zones.